So alright, this may be one of the weirdest gadgets that I've ever unboxed on this channel, but it's really cool. At first glance, it looks like a Rubik's Cube, as you can see with Rubik's on here, but this is the WowCube. Let's unbox it. So, when I'm holding it here, it's actually pretty sturdy boxing. I had to rip the sides of it to kind of get it off, but it's really cool, very Apple-like, the box that you see here with this. Just holding it, it felt really sturdy and heavy. As I said, this again showing some of the packaging of this. It took a lot to get it off, but once you got it off, it looks amazing, right? Hello, and you got you a big black box with your type of black casing inside of here, showing what the package looks like. You see in here, you see the actual cube itself. It's a black cube. Has a little bit of plastic on there showing you how to set it up for the device, because it is a full cube. Looks just like a Rubik's Cube. You see all of the boxes there. With Rubik's Cube, you have a little bit more boxes. These are big, thick boxes here. And you see inside of here, it's just a really clean black box along with the cube and the stand that's included inside of here. We'll talk a little bit about stand here in a second, because it's really interesting how you put the cube on top of the stand. Because you see, you have to really kind of squeeze it on. You have to open up the cube, slide it open, and slide it right on top of the stand. And as you see, the cube fully illuminates just like it would with the screen, LED screens. And it looks really, really dynamic and cool for you to play with. It is a gaming device that you can build and play games on. And it kind of feels less like a toy and more like something from a sci-fi movie. In the box, you have these little mini boxes that hold things like the actual plug itself, and it's a USB-C charging cable that's connected to this. And you plug that into the actual device, as well as a bag for you to carry your cube around, because it is a little bit fragile. You don't want to drop it. It's really thick, really sturdy, but if you drop it, it's all glass, so it's going to break. So, like I said, nice plug that you can check it out. As you see, you can slide off the device here from on top of the base. You have to be very careful. That slide inside the middle of the base is really relatively thin, so you have to be careful there. But you can see, you can play a lot of games. It has an accelerometer on it. It vibrates. It feels really thick in your hand. So it's definitely something that you'll enjoy to play games with, and it comes with the Rubik's information on it. So the second unboxing we're going to do today is with the Purifighter. And the Purifighter, it actually uses reverse osmosis, so you can purify water from anywhere. This boxing and unboxing, you can see this box feels really premium, and it comes in great packaging for this particular product. And one of the great things about it is that you can take this camping, you can take it to van life, you can take it to emergencies, you can take it on road trips, you can take it anywhere. And then that allows you to grab water from even lakes and rivers in order to purify it and make it drinkable water. So in this unboxing, you see how amazing this thing looks. It's silver. It's really sturdy, and so it allows you to take it anywhere you want. So you can take it camping, you can put it in the car, plug it into a 12-volt outlet. You can plug it into a USB power outlet. So it gives you a lot of cool options for you to take this device, the Purifighter, with you and purify any water that you're around, so you can have clean drinking water alongside with you. As you see here, this is the actual packaging of what you would use to put the water in. It comes with the manual portable pump that you can take with you. And it actually allows for you to have an easy, practical daily use of this device for your water. So here we go with some of the plugs and stuff that come with it. So that way you can actually plug it into the different outlets that you have available. But what's really cool about this, and I'm excited about this because I'm going camping actually in a couple of weeks. So I want you to come back and check for the review after I take it camping. But you can take it to camping, you can have it for hurricanes, anything that happens, the zombie apocalypse happens in Atlanta, you can pull this out here and purify all that zombie water with you and take it with you. So again, you know, thanks for checking out the unboxings today. I will circle back with you here in a week after I take this thing camping, and I'll play with this Rubik's Cube for a little while with WowCube, and we'll come back and check